Man, I love my Diane. It's such a good cube. It's so... Oh no, popped. Oops. Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to assemble a cube. This might be common sense to some people, but you never know. People are dumb these days. Okay, I'm done. Anyway, let's go ahead and show you how to do this. So I'm using my Dion Azanchi, so because that's like the only speaker I broke. Okay. Anyway, it looks like I cheated here, guys. Crap. Well, anyway, so first of all, you wanna, if you took it apart to lubricate it, you should already know how to put it back together. But if you're not, well, yeah, let's just get into it. So what you want to do is find two centers, which I'm just gonna go ahead and use the green and white. You're gonna find the green and white edge, slip it in. Orange, green edge, slip it in. Flatten it out so it doesn't pop on you when you put other edges in. Once you've got two edges in, pop a corner in. So you want the green, white, and orange right here. Drop it in and twist. There we go. Orange, white edge. Right here. I'm just kidding. So it is right here. Pop it in. Bloop. I think you might get the point from now on. But anyway, let's just keep going. Red, green. Here it is, right here. Oops. There we go. White, right, white, red, green. It is right here. Plop it in. White, red. Put it in. Let's go ahead and just do this too. Blue, white. Push it in. Orange, blue, white. Here it is, right here. It disappeared on me. And, oops. Orange, blue. Right there. Last one, these two. Guess just kind of put them together, I guess. I don't know. And whatever. Put the blue, red, white right here. Put it in. Blue, red, put it in. 2 layers done. Last layer. Yellow, blue. Push it in. Corner. That is yellow, orange, blue. Edge. Orange, yellow. Put it in. Yellow, green, white. Yellow, green, orange. Put it in. Yellow, green. Put it in. Last 3. Put the yellow, red, green corner, and the last corner goes right here. Turn this layer 45 degrees. Take the last edge and pop it in. How to assemble the 3x3. That is it, guys. That's how you assemble any speed cube. Now, if you wanted to assemble a Rubik's brand, well, you shouldn't have disassembled the Rubik's brand in the first place, because those things are impossible to put back together. But anyway, peace.